Okay, we are asked to write the set of when x is between 4 and 5 using interval notation and then graph the set on a number line. So interval notation just means we're going to use parentheses and brackets to showcase what something will look like on the graph. So in this case you can see we start at 4 and this is less than or equal to, so that means that we're going to use a bracket. Anytime you have an or equal, so the line underneath it, you're going to use a bracket, and that shows you include 4. Then we're going to go to 5. In this case, we don't have or equal, so we are not including 5, so you're going to like 4.9999999, but you're never going to hit 5. So in that case, we use a parenthesis. So this is our answer in interval notation. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to do where's my bracket? Let's see here. Oh, there. Like, I know if I went through enough screens, obviously I haven't looked at all these screens. Okay, then 5. Let's see, so this should be the right answer. And now we want to graph it. And so to graph it, we're going to do the same thing. We have our graph here. Here's 4, and here's 5. And so we start here with 4, and we put a bracket, and we're going to go to 5, and then we put a parenthesis. So you're just using the same notations to do end and thing. Now you might have already seen this. At one point, if you saw it earlier, you used to use closed and open circles, and I'm perfectly fine, like in a test, if you wrote it that way. But the book in my math lab is going to use, for the graph, the same notation as an interval notation, which is nice because then obviously it all stays the same. So I need a bracket and then parentheses, so you can see that's D. And I want to check my answer. And you can see that's all there is to it. So the big thing for this is just to know when to use a bracket and when to use a parenthesis. And a bracket just means closed, you include it, and a parenthesis means no, you don't include it.